In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix authorization failed for Exness on MetaTrader 5. First, a bit of reassurance before we dive in. This error looks alarming, but it's almost never a sign that something's actually wrong with your account or that it's been compromised. 9 times out of 10, it just comes down to a small mismatch somewhere in your login details, and we're going to work through exactly where to check. Let's dive right in. The single most common cause here is one of 3 things not matching up: your account number, your trading password, or your server. So let's start by re-verifying all 3 from the source. Log into your Exness account through your browser, head into your personal area, and find the specific MT5 account you're trying to connect. Open account information, and you'll see your login number and server name listed there, along with the option to reset your trading password if you're not sure what it currently is. Remember, this trading password is separate from your regular Exness website login, so if you've been typing in your website password by mistake, that'll trigger this exact error every time. While you're grabbing these details, here's a tip that solves this more often than you'd expect. Rather than typing everything in manually, copy and paste your login and server directly from your personal area instead. Manually typed credentials are where most of these errors actually come from, usually from mixing up a capital O with a 0, or a lowercase l with the number 1, both of which look nearly identical on a phone screen. On the flip side, if you do copy-paste, just double-check there isn't a stray space accidentally tagging along at the beginning or end, since that alone is enough to cause a failed login. Next, worth ruling out, make sure you're not accidentally trying to log an MT4 account into the MT5 app, or the other way around. These 2 account types aren't interchangeable, and Exness's own systems will reject the login outright if there's a mismatch there, so double-check your account type matches the platform you've got open. If your details all check out and it's still not connecting, the server itself might just need a refresh. Tap the connection status bar in the bottom right corner of your MT5 terminal and select Reskin Servers. This pulls a fresh list and often resolves things when the app was working off an outdated or cached server list. A couple of less common, but still worth checking: if you're connected through a VPN, try temporarily switching it off, since it can occasionally interfere with the authentication handshake. And if you're still stuck after all of that, try logging in on a different device, like switching from your phone to a desktop or vice versa, just to narrow down whether the issue is specific to that one install or something with the account itself. One last thing, and it's genuinely important. If you ever get a message from someone claiming to be Exness support who offers to fix this for you but asks for your password or a one-time code, that's a scam. Full stop. Exness will never need either of those to help you. And that covers it. Double-check your login, password, and server straight from your personal area. Rescan if needed, and you should be back in within a minute or 2. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.